Hi, welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy by Mary MJ. Today I am discussing class 11 chapter 3 trigonometric functions. We are continuing the chapter with exercise 3.3. Question number 15. Prove the following. Prove the following in that question number 15. Cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. So we have to start from LHS. LHS equal to cot 4x. Instead of cot 4x, we can write cos 4x divided by sin 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x, sin x plus sin y is 2 sin 5x plus 3x by 2, that is 8x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x, that is 2x by 2. That is equal to cos 4x divided by sin 4x into 2 sin 4x into cos x. Sin 4x and sin 4x getting cancelled, remaining we are getting it as 2 cos x into cos 4x. Now we'll check with the right side. What is RHS? RHS equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. Then cot x can be written as cos x by sin x. Cot x is equal to cos x by sin x into, what is sin x minus sin y? It is 2 cos x plus y by 2, that is 5x plus 3x by 2 into sin 5x minus 3x by 2, and that is equal to cos x by sin x into 2 cos 8x by 2 is 4x into sin 2x by 2 is x. Then again common terms here, sin x is common in both the numerator and denominator. Cancelling that, we are getting 2 cos x into cos 4x, which is the same as LHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Now moving on to question number 16. Cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x equal to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. We have to prove this result. So start with the LHS. LHS equal to cos 9x minus cos 5x. What is cos A minus cos B? Minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x by 2 into sin 9x minus 5x by 2. Then whole divided by sin 17x minus sin x, that is 2 cos 17x plus, here denominator it is sin 3x. So 17x plus 3x by 2 into sin 17x minus 3x by 2. Simplifying that, minus 2 sin 14 by 2 7x into sin 4x by 2 is 2x. Whole divided by 2 cos 20x by 2 is 10x into sin 14x by 2 is 7x. Common terms, 2 is common. Sin 7x is also common. Remaining minus sin 2x divided by cos 2x, which is the RHS. Now next one, question number 17. We have to prove that sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x equal to tan 4x. So start with LHS. LHS equal to sin 5x plus sin 3x is 2 sin 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x by 2 whole divided by 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x by 2. Then that is equal to 2 getting cancelled, remaining sin 5x plus 3x is 8x, 8x by 2 is 4x into cos 5x minus 3x is 2x, 2x by 2 is x divided by cos 8x by 2 is 4x and here cos 2x by 2x is x, and common terms cos x getting cancelled, remaining sin 4x by cos 4x, which is equal to tan 4x, and that is the RHS. Now question number 18. Sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y equal to tan of x minus y by 2. So we can start with the LHS. Sin x minus sin y is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2 divided by cos x plus cos y is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Cancelling the common terms, 2 getting cancelled, cos of x plus y by 2 common, remaining these 2 getting cancelled, remaining we are getting sin of x minus y by 2 divided by cos of x minus y by 2, and that is equal to tan of x minus y by 2, and that is the RHS. Now next question. Question number 19. Sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x. We have to prove that it is equal to tan 2x. So we can start with the LHS. LHS equal to sin x plus sin 3x is 2 sin x plus 3x by 2 into cos x minus 3x by 2 whole divided by 2 cos x plus 3x by 2 into cos x minus 3x by 2. Common terms, 2 getting cancelled. Cos of x minus 3x by 2 from both sides will get cancelled, remaining sin of 4x by 2 is 2x and denominator cos of 4x by 2 is 2x. Sin 2x by cos 2x, that's equal to tan 2x, which is the RHS. Question number 20. Sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x equal to 2 sin x. So LHS equal to sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x. And from the numerator and denominator I am taking one negative sign, minus sign I am taking out. So this become minus of sin 3x minus sin x and denominator minus of cos square x minus sin square x. That is equal to negative sign cancelled, both minus getting cancelled. Sin 3x minus sin x is 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 into sin 3x minus x by 2 whole divided by cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x, and that can be written as 2 cos 4x by 2 is 2x and sin 3x minus x is 2x, 2x by 2 is x. So sin x divided by cos 2x. Cos 2x getting cancelled, answer is 2 sin x and that is the RHS. Hence proved. Now question number 21. Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. Now taking the LHS equal to. So we can rearrange this. If I am adding these two, cos 4x plus cos 3x, it will be 2 cos 4x plus 3x by 2. So it will become a fraction. So if I am taking the first and the third one, 4x plus 2x is 6x by 2, it is 3x. So it is exactly divisible. So we can take the first and last, cos 4x plus cos 2x, and the last term is cos 3x. Same way, sin 4x plus sin 2x and the last term sin 3x. Now applying the result here, identity, cos 4x plus cos 2x is the same as 2 cos 4x plus 2x by 2 into cos 4x minus 2x by 2 and the last term is plus cos 3x whole divided by sin 4x plus sin 2x is 2 sin 4x plus 2x by 2 into cos 4x minus 2x by 2 and the last term is sin 3x. Now that can be written as 2 cos 6x by 2 is 3x and cos 4x minus 2x is 2x, 2x by 2 is x. So cos x plus cos 3x whole divided by 2 sin 6x by 2 3x and cos 4x minus 2x 2x by 2x plus sin 3x. Now we can see in the numerator in the both the terms cos 3x is common in the numerator. So cos 3x taken out, 2 cos x plus 1 divided by sin 3x taking out, remaining 2 cos x plus 1. So cancelling the common terms from the numerator and denominator, 2 cos x plus 1 is common in both the numerator and denominator, remaining we are getting cos 3x by sin 3x and cos 3x by sin 3x is cot 3x and that's the RHS. Now moving on to question number 22. Prove that cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. So for proving this we have to start with the highest one, that is cot 3x. We can write this cot 3x as, cot 3x can be taken as cot of 2x plus x and cot 3x is equal to cot 2x plus x, and this can be written as what is cot of x plus y, cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. So same way this also we can apply the result. So cot 2x into cot x minus 1 divided by cot 2x in cot 2x plus cot x. Now we can cross multiply this. This side it is cot 3x and we can cross multiply. So it becomes cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot x is equal to cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Opening the bracket, cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot 3x into cot x equal to cot 2x into cot x minus 1. And taking these all to the other side and minus 1 to this side, we can get the answer as just a rearrangement. So cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot 3x into cot x, we can take it to the right side, and minus 1 can be taken to the left side. So we'll get the answer as cot 2x into cot x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. Hence proved. Now next question, question number 23. Tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x. So we can start with LHS. LHS is equal to tan 4x. And tan 4x, what is tan 2x? Tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So here we need to find out what is tan 4x. So instead of 2x, we have to multiply by 2. For 2x, we have to multiply by 2. That is the angle we have to multiply by 2. So tan 4x become 2 tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan square 2x. So we can write here, instead of tan 4x can be written as 2 tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan square 2x. Now again, instead of tan 2x, we can apply the result. Tan 2x is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So here 2 into 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x divided by, instead of 1 minus tan square 2x also we have to replace. So divided by 1 minus 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x whole square, because it is tan square 2x. Tan 2x is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, and here it is tan square 2x, so whole square. Now simplifying this, here numerator is 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole divided by, this can be cross multiplied. So 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square, and that is equal to 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x into, denominator we can take the reciprocal, into 1 minus tan square x whole square divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x, and that is equal to 4 tan x. Here 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x getting cancelled, remaining in the numerator 1 minus tan square x. Then denominator we can expand this by using a minus b whole square. So that is 1 minus 2 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x minus 4 tan square x. Simplifying all these, this is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x, and that is the RHS. Now next one, question number 24. cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Start with the LHS. LHS is cos 4x. Cos 4x can be written as, we know what is cos 2x. Cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. So here I need to get what is cos 4x, that is multiplying the angle by 2. So this will be 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. So this can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. And that is equal to 1 minus 2 into, what is sin 2x? Sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. And here whole square is there. That is equal to 1 minus 2 into 4 sin square x cos square x. And that is 1 minus 4 into 2 is 8 sin square x into cos square x, which is the RHS. Now, last question of that exercise, question number 25. Cos 6x equal to 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Now start with LHS. LHS is equal to cos 6x and we know what is cos 2x. Cos 2x can be written as, or cos 2x is, this can be written as cos 2 cos square x minus 1. So here we need to get it as 6x. So angle should be multiplied by 3. So all the angles here as well as here. So 2x into 3 is 6x is equal to 2 cos square 3x minus 1. So this can be written as 2 cos square 3x minus 1. And that is equal to 2 into cos 3x. Cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square. Here square is there, that's why whole square, minus 1. That is equal to 2 into, we have to expand using a minus b whole square. So 4 cos cube x whole square minus 2 into 4 cos cube x into 3 cos x. And the last term plus 9 cos square x and minus 1. And that is equal to 2 into 16 cos raised to 6x minus 8 into 3 24, 8 into 3 24 cos raised to 4x plus 9 cos square x minus 1. And that is equal to, multiplying this 2 inside, 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. And that is the RHS. So that is all from that exercise. Thank you for watching my video. Those who haven't subscribed, please like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Bye.